go. Let's pour the vinegar into the baking powder. This is, right? This is baking powder. So we're going to start off with the powder first. Ready? This is 1/4 cup. 3, 2, 1. Close it, close it. Let's see what happens. Locking all the air in. Whoa, that's cool. It's definitely filling up with gas. It's bubbling a lot too. It's making a sizzling noise. Come, listen to it. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Or you can see the fingerprints made. But from before when we were touching that. Oh, okay. Sizzling is going down. Stopping, I think. Okay, the sizzling is stopped. So my bet is on the baking powder for the most amount of gas. So we can see the gas because the bag is filling up. Wow, that's so cool. Oh. It keeps on making like a sizzling sound as it's gonna stop, but it isn't. Wow. This is going for a good amount of time. So we will leave that here. Let it sizzle. And okay, let's prepare the soda. Now, let's get it into the baking soda. This is the baking soda. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, close the bag, close the bag. Oh, wow, this is, oh my God, I think the soda is actually winning. Let me just really tightly close the bag. Ooh, it's more liquidy. It's a lot more liquidy. It's more, well, yeah, it's much more clear too. Sizzling isn't as high pitched and there's a lot less of it too. So, listen to it. It actually kind of looks like a liquid crystal to me. Looks like if you put a lot of salt in water. It looks kind of like, it's clear, but like still it's kind of like when you just put it in. Now it looks like what do you call it? Sparkling water. That's what I think it looks like. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, you can see there's a layer here at the bottom that's still not dissolved, and up here it is dissolved. But you see, look, you can see the sparkling effect because the bubbles here at the bottom. You can get a better look of it on the back. Look at this right there. You can see across the edge of the water that it's that. Okay, and these are our 2 experiments right here. Now let's go do some note taking down on them. Okay, so my hypothesis was wrong. This is the baking soda, and I assumed the baking powder to bubble up more. And I think because this was lighter, probably this bubbled up. Oh no, it blew up more. Yeah, kind of not really annoying, but it's cool. Like, see, look, that's like big and puffy, and that's already really flat. Okay, so this is the baking powder. inside. This is after it has been reacted. 5 minutes. It looks a little bit like milk, except like sparkling milk. Like sparkling water, except sparkling milk. This is the baking soda. It looks a lot like sparkling water. 5 minutes after reaction, maybe 6. Yeah. And it's like milk there, sparkling water there, sparkling milk there. The water that it's